Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Naim Mushtaq. I am a CELTA qualified trainer from Cambridge University. आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एक नया टेस्ट जो अभी इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है जिसको यूके की काफ़ी सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ ने एक्सेप्ट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है, लैंग्वेज सर्ट एग्ज़ाम. टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट्स स्पीकिंग पैटर्न कि किस तरीके से ये टेस्ट एग्जीक्यूट होता है और उसके ऊपर हम बात करेंगे और साथ साथ उसके टिप्स भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि हाउ वी कैन solve this test. Okay, the part 1 consists of 3 minutes in which you are supposed to tell your name and your nationality, and then you will be asked about few questions. These questions will be from your own atmosphere, about your hobbies, that how you travel, and do you like to go to museum, or these type of questions examiner will ask from you. So you people are supposed to answer those questions in R format. First give answer, then give reasons for that, and then at the end if you can quote any example, it is not compulsory but optional, then you can give an example and it will deliver a complete answer to your examiner. This is same like IELTS, but the second part is different, in which you people are supposed to use role plays. In two situations you will start a conversation with your examiner, and in two situations examiner will start a conversation, or we can say you will play a role. Okay, in this test you need to understand that what examiners want to check. They simply want to check that if you are able to communicate in your functional language. For example, your ability to ask something, your ability to request something, reject something, or give suggestions, deny something, agree with something, or disagreeing, welcoming phrases. These are the basic functions of language that they want to check. A typical example is, examiner can say, okay, this is me, your friend, and what do you think about my new t-shirt? And now you're supposed to give answers. Remember, in this part of the test you don't need to speak for too long. Just give one sentence answer, so your examiner will reciprocate with your answer, and then you can have 2 takes each time. Clear? In the third part you people are supposed to discuss something. One task sheet will be with you, and second task sheet will be with the examiner. And now let's say you are making a plan of holiday, so you will have some time to make notes on that, and examiner will discuss something. For instance, you say that I want to go to holiday on Saturday, but examiner says that Friday is more feasible to me. So you will have an interactive discussion in which examiner will see your ability to accept a suggestion, how you can put request to change the things, and how you will carry on the things which are suggested by the examiner. In the fourth part, same like IELTS, you people will be given a cue card, and in that cue card, in IELTS you have time for 1 minute to make notes, but in this test, language cert exam, you have 30 seconds to make notes, and then you have to speak on that topic for 2 minutes. In the last part, you people will be asked follow-up questions related to the topic which is given in cue card. Now in this part, the best thing is that you need to understand that I need to quote examples, because examiner wants to see your ability to compare and contrast different things. In this way you people can go up with your speaking test in language cert, and it is comparatively easy if you are looking for study in UK. Thank you so much.